progress that we can see.
Jagoro mongirore migao mar arita Raymond Omollo oyawo yanga kar tiegruok mar apisas mag arita mawuok e kembe mopogore opogore mag giwegi mong'ere kaka C&M Private Security Training Institute kaka achiel kuom yorno maneno ni omigi lony makare mag chwalo weche mag arita ne oganda. Jatelo mane wuotho kod jatelo maduong' mar kembe arita kwe mag giwegi Fazul Mohamed owacho ni gidhi bero weche mag arita e pacho ka kuom medo jochiw arita mosetiegi mopuodhi moromo milion 1. Omedo ni chenro mar ndikruok mag apisas mag arita ahinya to mawuok e kembe giwegi en gima ochuno ka bende mane achiel kuom thor wach mane opedho e nyim jokanyo mag kembego.
We are going to add in excess of 1 million pair of boots into the national security infrastructure. And these are people who have undergone training, they have been security vetted and cleared, and for sure, this is a new product now. The product that was lowly paid, the product that did not have the welfare taken care of, it's a completely different product. Now, of the 1 million private security officers, each one of them will have a unique identification number that we call it the guard force number. That is very personal to the guard. And we expect by the time they have been trained, vetted, and they have graduated, and the government has issued them with a guard force number, we will not be talking about the concept of the minimum wage. Now we'll be talking about living wage.
Let me commend the Private Security Regulatory Authority for recognizing the value of reaching out to the grassroots to create a stronger and safer society. The PSRA office in the region, which we are opening, marks a significant step towards enhancing accessibility and efficiency. On behalf of the government, I want to appeal to local and international partners to join us so that we actively engage in this initiative and contribute towards its success.
County Mama Bay ne obago nyasi